Imagine being able to build anything just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44, a complete AI creation platform made for anyone with an idea and a drive to bring it.
Mikey, come on, let me go.
Not unless you release another episode of Mission Mikey.
I can't do that. No, you know that. Oh, okay. All right. I'll do it. The next episode of Mission Mikey is gonna come out in the next episode.
Got him. That was a close one. Now let's go ahead and start today's video.
Go!
I thought you said there wasn't a security system.
We'd be fine if Travis didn't smash the windows. Dylan, you can take your mask off now. We've been driving for like 20 minutes. Wow! Wish I could take pics with some of this stuff. We're selling it for my IG. Travis, what'd you get?
Oh, nothing. I just smashed a bunch of stuff.
I've got issues. Dylan, what'd you get?
Yo, bro, look at that.
Oh, you're gonna get so much cash off of that, especially since he's already talking about it. What?
It's just stuff that can all be replaced, but what I'm really sad about is that they took our diamond play button. That took us so long to get.
And now it means a lot to us.
Jeez, scared me, kiddo. We really gotta get you a new one of those. Mr. Fluffus isn't doing.
No, I love Mr. Fluffles.
And why are you up right now?
I'm so. I got this! I'm hungry to sleep. And Mom kept me awake. She was throwing up again.
Come on. Hey, Mom. Heard you had a rough night.
It's okay. I'm used to. I finally have some appetite. Is there anything in the fridge?
No. But you know what? Tomorrow, I'm gonna go buy some groceries, okay?
With what money? Last thing I want for you is to end up like your dad.
What choice do we have? We have no food.
You always have a choice. You have to do the right thing, even though it's the hardest thing.
And what makes you think I'm not doing the right thing?
Your eyes, kid. Your eyes. You're gonna get so much cash off of that. Last thing I want for you is to end up like your dad.
You have the right to remain silent.
What I do? Multiple counts of robbery and home invasion. Dylan, get out of here. Don't look at this. Look, man, I'm just trying to provide for my family, man. You gotta let me go, please.
Hey, come with us.
Dad!
I'll be back soon. I promise. Be a good boy.
Dharr Man, huh? Sounds like a law firm. Been in an accident? Call Dharr Man.
Yeah, no, good one. Oh, Dar's actually no friend of mine. Oh, call me up, said, hey, I have a couple of things I need to get rid of, so there you go.
Okay. You certainly do have a lot of friends, and they don't seem to like their stuff very much.
Hey,
I'll give you $100.
oh man, $100? That's it? Get out! Fine.
You're lucky to be getting that instead of a call to the cops.
Oh, wait.
Lucky for you, we have a policy.
Don't ask, don't tell. Wow. You have a good one.
In an accident, call Dharr Man.
Hey, Ma, you hungry? Brought breakfast.
I lost my appetite. The pain's getting worse.
All right, yeah, I'll call the pharmacy. You sure you don't want breakfast?
Save the food for him. She needs that.
We are Charlie Kirk. We carry.
How are the flakes, kiddo?
Not as fresh as a good brand, but I still like them. Are we gonna be homeless?
Hey, no, why? Why would you say that?
I'm not dumb. What's gonna happen to us?
You want to know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna walk you to school today, and you're gonna learn all sorts of cool things. You're gonna have a great day, and you're gonna forget all about these silly questions, okay?
Can I have my cereal first?
Of course. Really love the flakes, huh?
It seems like you never sleep. Where'd you go last night?
With my teachers, kiddo.
So, are you gonna tell
Michael! Don't leave me here!
me?
Oh, Miss Stryker, come on. How are you today?
Better. If your mom would respond to my phone calls. Your little sister's been getting into fights at school, and quite frankly, it's getting out of hand.
Hey, get your own.
Come on, there wasn't any free lunch today. And you got so much. Please, Blake.
No, it's all mine.
Pudding.
Michael!
Yeah, boy.
Come on, there wasn't any free lunch today. And you got so much. Please, Blake.
No, it's
Please, Blake.
no, it's all mine. Yeah.
Come on, there wasn't any free lunch today. And you got so much. Please, Blake.
No, it's all mine. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Putting Blake's bloody nose aside for a moment, why were you trying to steal food?
Because I was hungry.
Dylan, I need to speak to your mom about this immediately.
Our mom's out of town right now. She'll be back next week.
Your mom seems to travel a lot, Dylan. I really don't want to call children's services.
Why'd you say Mom was out of town? She's at home.
They find out that Mom is really sick and I'm the one taking care of you. They might take you away from me. Hey, no, look. I promise you that will never happen, okay? I just need you to be on your best behavior. Can you do that? Good. We don't need Miss Stryker to keep asking you a bunch of questions, okay? So let's take Fluffles and you. Let's go inside.
Shut your fucking mouth!
What's up, partner? Yo. Hey, man, you gotta cut that.
Oh my God!
Out. Bro, chill. I was just gonna say last night was awesome. Can't believe we pulled off that hit. Travis, what are you talking about, man? You didn't do anything. Bro, it's not the grabbing and the smash and grab that gets me so excited. It's the smashing, you know? Come on, don't act like you're so innocent.
Tell me this fit isn't serving. Be sure to check back in this weekend to see who I'm collabing with. Y'all are gonna go insane!
I wonder why she does it. Who knows? Man, who exactly are you collabing with? Better question is, who's gonna be our next target? Yeah, good point.
It's actually the same person.
Smart.
Coming for you.
So, we've established that the interior angle of any triangle is always a
Coming for you.
So, we've established the triangle sum theory. That the interior angle of any triangle is always 180 degrees. Now, let's follow this logic towards the next conclusion. Dylan, care to tell us the limitations of the Pythagorean theorem?
Limitations, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's only good after 30 days?
Can I have a word,
few
Dylan?
moments later.
You already know what I'm about to say. Your grades have dropped significantly in this class. You were one of the best students, and now you're on the track to fail the class.
Yeah, look, I know Mrs. Peters, and I'm sorry. I have a lot going on right now with work.
Where are you working? I only asked because I could possibly arrange some.
Look, I appreciate you trying to help, okay? But I can handle things myself.
Well, if you want to.
Look, I care more about surviving right now, okay? Thanks for the pep talk, but honestly, I've got a lot more to worry about out here than in school.
Brent Rivera is one of our biggest clients yet, and while he's out of town, I've got an in with his sister. Lexi will be house sitting, so I'm gonna suggest that we go out, film some TikToks together. Convenient, right? Now, as soon as she leaves, you guys are gonna hop the fence and pick the lock. You'll have the house to yourselves, so case the place and grab it. Especially her clothes. I'll keep you updated with texts so you know where we are.
Okay. Ooh, nice. Oops. Cow. Travis, what do you think, bro?
So, what do you want to film next?
Okay,
Hello?
Hey, Lexi, do you know where I left my last bag of cinnamon churro levels?
No. I have no idea.
Ugh, I needed them for a brand video I had to fly home early for. Anyways, I just pulled into the driveway, so.
Hey, I gotta go. Brent just got here.
Wait, why was my door unlocked?
Batter up. Vinicio, we gotta go now! Just when I was hitting my stride.
What the heck?
Get out of here. Got a baseball bat, and I got a six-pack, and I'm not afraid to use it.
Hey, another YouTuber break-in. Kid thinks the intruders are still inside.
Let's go. Back up. We need back up.
If you're still in here,
You're in big trouble.
I know you stole my levels chip. Are you in here? Okay, seriously, it's now or never, bro. Come on.
You're in big trouble. All right, watch this. Here we go.
Roger, come on.
Come on. Come on.
Whew. Can't believe we got away. That was like a movie. Man, keep it down. Mom and sister are sleeping.
Sorry, cheese.
That was too close, man. We can't keep doing this anymore. It's too risky.
I don't know, man. I mean, going by the looks of this place, you should probably be taking any risk you can.
You guys. Brent Rivera is already talking about what happened.
He's streaming right now.
Yes! Streaming tears down his face. What a baby.
He's more like Brett Crimey Rivera.
Don't you get it, man? What we're doing, it's wrong. You know, let me ask you something. What has Brent ever done you, huh? Look, it's only a matter of time until we get caught. I say we just turn ourselves into the police. They're gonna go a lot more easier on us if we do that.
Hey, you want to know who's not going to go easy
We are Charlie
on you? Me. If I find out you've been telling anyone about what we've been doing.
Yeah. We've got a good thing going on here, so you better stay in line and keep your mouth shut. If you ever try to report us to the cops, I'm sure they won't have a problem tracing your trips down to the pawn shop, all the stolen items you've sold. And you know what? They might even come here. See the state your sister's living in? I'm sure Child Protective Services will love that. We have to do something about Dylan. What if he snitches on us?
Well, I've got 2 good reasons right here why you shouldn't. There's 1 and 2.
That's a dumb idea feeling with cops involved. We need a better plan.
Sorry, Mom. I know you want me to do the right thing. I don't know what else to do anymore.
Did you bring any food? I haven't eaten. I had to steal more food at school today.
Everything's gonna be all right.
You said that before.
All right, man. This one right here, worth much more than the last one. About 300, give or take. Super famous YouTuber.
Give you a 125, take it or leave it.
Authorities say that yesterday's robbery might be connected to the recent strings of prominent YouTuber robberies conducted by 2 or more suspects in the area.
Okay, these people stole my diaper, they took my sister's clothes, they even took my levels chips. We have you on my Ring camera. We will find you.
That's the good-looking guy right there, right?
One more slip-up, and I get you.
Look, we need to deal with you-know-who. Why haven't you come up with a plan yet?
I did come up with a plan. I just haven't figured out the details yet.
Wow, that's really helpful. A plan usually has detail.
Where'd you come from? A marathon?
You guys, we were just on the news. The cops aren't investigating. They got ring camera footage. What are we gonna do?
What we're gonna do is we're gonna keep a low profile. That video is blurry at best. Just act casual. No talking to anybody. I say anybody.
Yeah, it's only a matter of time before we get caught. Look, guys, I say we just turn ourselves in. The police are gonna go a lot more easier on us.
And then what? If we all go to jail, then who's gonna take care of poor little Emma? Because we all know your mom can't.
Dylan, can I have a word?
She's gonna rat us out.
Better not. Look, Miss Peters, I'm really sorry. I had no choice. What's gonna happen to me?
I'm not sure what you're talking about. I pulled you aside to talk about your mom. I have some bad news.
Mr. Beast, give me some money. Give me some.
How is she?
She's stable now, but this has clearly been going on a long time. The doctor will be in a moment to give you a full report, but we aren't sure how long we're going to have to keep her here. For the time being, we'll have to have social service.
Wait, no, don't talk about stuff.
I want to stay with you.
No, everything's gonna be okay, all right? I promise you. Come on, come on.
Also, I don't want to add to your stress, but I couldn't find any insurance info on your mom.
Sorry, could you give me a second, please?
Mommy, are they gonna take me away?
Private property is inherently more interesting than the theft of said property itself. I have a passion for smashing, you know?
It's Dylan.
What, he wants to do another hit? What are you doing? I thought we can't trust him anymore.
Let's just say I figured out the details. Our next target's house has a bunch of secret rooms. Trap Dylan in one of them and call the cops on our way out. That way he'll get busted and we'll be off the hook. They'll pin all the robberies on him.
Man, okay. That's diabolical, Mia. I love it. So, who's the next YouTuber?
Okay, listen up. We're gonna score big on this one if we know where to look. See these red dots? They're markings of where the secret rooms are. Yes, they're not just for the videos. These rooms are where he keeps his most expensive stuff.
So I get to smash down some walls, huh? Sweet. And if I catch wind of any betrayal, might have to use this on you.
Hey, don't threaten me!
Or what? You can call the cops?
Hey. We're all on the same team here. But seriously, are you sure you're ready for this?
Yeah, just one question. How are we getting inside?
Easy. You'll say you're from.
We are from the gas company, and we've detected a leak on the premises. It's imperative we get it fixed as soon as possible.
That means ASAP.
And while we're making the repairs, you'll need to vacate the premises.
That means leave.
Are you guys sure you're from the gas company?
Yeah, this seems a little sus.
Yeah, of course we're from the gas company. I mean, how else would we have these uniforms?
I'm so sorry. Of course, you have uniforms. Definitely go in. Thank you so much. We will definitely go ahead and leave.
Yeah. Enjoy the house.
Yeah, thank you.
This is massive! I can't believe that actually worked.
You almost ruined it. I saw and heard everything. Next time, don't forget to take off the tag. Okay, we don't have much time, so let's get to work. Dylan, I heard she keeps the expensive stuff in one of the secret rooms.
No way. The secret rooms are real.
Let's split up and find them. You take the first level. We'll search upstairs.
Cool.
Let's do it.
10 out of 10 friends say you have to go to that wing place, and that pizza shop, and that noodle spot, which you have time for.
Let's do it.
I got this! I got
My mommy said no more skibidi toilets, so I left a poop.
No, I love Mr. Fluffle.
Dominguez here? What are these suspect descriptions? Interesting. Thank the neighbor. Call the gas company to see if there is a crew in that area, and let's roll a cruise over to that neighborhood.
Mia. Travis? Hello? Yeah, that's right, officer. I just saw someone breaking in, and I think he's trapped inside of one of the hidden rooms off the master bedroom. Yeah, you gotta come quick, please. I'm really scared. Please, you gotta get this guy before he escapes. And again, my name is Matt Slays. That's M-A-T-T-T, Slays. Okay, thank you.
Yo, Dylan, we found a secret room. It's right off the master bedroom. Come on, let's check it out.
Where you at, Dylan?
Oh, do you think...
He's in there?
Guys! Oh, Dylan, we've been looking for you. We found a secret room over by the master bedroom.
All right, but you guys gotta see this one first.
After. We really need you to come with us first.
Are you sure? Because Matt and Rebecca have their blinged out jewelry collection and really, really breakable crystals. Just trust me, guys, come on.
Did you say jewelry?
Breakable crystals? Right in there. Hey, look. Whoops. Hey, I forgot to mention, there's no way out.
Let us out of here.
Yeah, so I can beat the crap out of you.
Dude, help me.
All right. Yeah, no, they're in there. Dylan! Come on, man! Yeah, here, cops.
As your part in these crimes, you'll each receive 5 years in juvenile detention. I want you to use that time to think about what you've done.
But we were totally framed, Your Honor.
Yeah, I mean, who does graffiti inside a house? That, like, totally makes no sense at all. That good, or you want more?
More.
Here we go. Can you do that? So let's take Fluffles and you. Let's go inside and have a good day, okay?
Well, it's clear you took part in committing these crimes. I'm curious why you would turn yourself in, help recover the stolen items when you weren't trapped.
Your Honor, I was in a really tough situation. And I'm more than aware that what I did wasn't right. And as someone once told me, you have to do the right thing, even when it's the hardest thing.
Well, young man, as you've demonstrated a desire to own your mistakes, you'll be getting 2 years probation and 400 hours of community service. Especially since you weren't the one who destroyed private property.
Look, man, if you're here to yell at me...
I heard your mom was in the hospital. I can't imagine what you've been going through. It's not right what you did, but I'm all about giving second chances. So I put out a reward for whoever helped me find the bad guys. I'm sure this will take care of your mom's medical treatment and all the...
All right, you didn't have to...
Frosted cereal?
And yeah, all the frosted cereal you can eat, too.
No! Come on, let me out. Come on, please. Dharr, I'm sorry.
We have got to the point where literally anybody can build a